Guys, I inspected my clutch discs, man, and my clutch discs are cool and copacetic. Now, when you get this from Brock's, there's 2 green springs here, and there's 4 black springs. It looks like to me they're all the same. There's absolutely no difference whatsoever with these springs. I have no idea why 2 are green, but what we're going to do, Max, you want to help me, huh? We're going to put 1 on each side. I have no idea why they're green and the rest of these are black. Max, a piece of your hair is going in here. Now what we're going to do, we're going to put some blue Loctite on every one of these. Because this is actually what they recommend. Now don't you go grabbing this, okay? This is poisonous. He's a little pissed at me because I didn't take him for a long walk today. I took him for a short walk because it was just so cold, you know, and I didn't have my winter gloves on. I actually had my riding gloves on, so my hands damn near froze. Why don't you go upstairs, okay? I'll be right up. I'm not going to torque this down, guys, because I want to make sure of the torque setting. Pretty sure I think it's 7 pounds. I'm pretty sure of that. Boy, I'll tell you, that's getting hard on the hand, man. I need a speeder wrench, guys. I have a 1/2-inch speeder wrench. I don't have a 3/8 speeder wrench. Or speeder bar, I should say. Or even a T-bar would be good, you know. But I'm going to buy a 3/8 speeder wrench or a speeder bar. All right, our hand tightened. Let's see if there's any difference in the clutch feel. Doesn't feel any tighter. Max, move. Come on, you gotta move, man. You're gonna get hurt in here. Watch out. Watch out. Come on, Max, you gotta move, man. Watch. Why don't you go up there and lay down, okay? You're in the way. Okay, come here. Come on. Alright. I'll be upstairs, okay? Come on, go ahead. Okay, let's see here if I can figure out how to read this. Okay, that's kilograms of black is pound. And it's probably about 3 over as it is. As I probably bent it or damaged it on something. Okay, that's about it, guys. That's really all you got to do. It's as simple as that. That's your spring upgrade from the stock springs to the heavy-duty springs. I'll know if there's any kind of a difference on this once I take it out 4 months from now or 3 months from now once the winter's over, because the winter's just started here. It's down to like 10 degrees right now, and once they start salting the roads, I'm not taking this out on the roads until all the salt's washed away, because when they start salting the roads around here, the roads are literally white, and the salt goes up inside the engine, it goes inside the air filter, and it's just real bad. It's real corrosive, you know. So that's why I refuse to take this out until all the salt's washed off the way by the first rains. So, okay, guys, I'm going to go online. I'm going to make sure of my torque settings for this, and I'll probably put this on. It's like 2 o'clock in the morning right now, and I stay up all night. I'm like a vampire because I work the night shift, so I'm up almost all the time. And then we're going to check on the cover's torque specs too. All right, I'll catch you guys later.